Hi everyone! Imagine you are making festive square-shaped candy canes. You want to texture your sweep, but you notice the texture is mapped in the wrong direction. Sure, you could go into the material settings and change it there, but then the texture changes on all your other objects. You could copy the material and rotate the texture in the new one, but I know you don't like doing that, because tomorrow your client will want a different pattern and you'll have to update the texture in two materials instead of one. There's a much better solution. Just download this Cinema 4D file from the Gumroad link in the description. Copy it into your scene, drag your sweep into the source field. Make sure the generator is placed at the same coordinates as the path spline of your sweep. Use the transfer command to do that. Now apply your material to the generator. Finally, open the Expresso tag and simply replace the old material in the node with your new one. That's it! In the generator settings you can freely rotate the texture with a step of 90 degrees and adjust its scale with scale factor parameters. Now you can disable the original sweep so it won't accidentally show up in the render. All the sweep parameters still work. If you want, you can enable selections and apply your material only to the specific parts you need, and, of course, all splines remain fully editable in the real time. You can freely move the points of your spline, and your sweep will still update instantly. Let's turn off our generator for a moment. Now imagine, you need to make several different candy canes within a single sweep. You put your spline into a connect object, duplicate it, and suddenly notice that the profile is rotated differently on each spline. You disable banking, but things get even worse. Well, let's switch our generator back on and apply transfer to it, linking it to our connect object. You'll see that problem is gone now. Now you can create as many separate segments as you like within a single path, and the profile will always face the right direction. That's it for now. If you found this useful, hit subscribe and check out the other content on the channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.